When you start looking into home insemination, you'll find no shortage of options or suggestions on the internet. From a literal turkey baster, to a pharmacy syringe, to kits that look a lot like Mosie Baby, but aren't quite the same. So what actually makes a difference? Mosie is the first intravaginal insemination kit cleared by the FDA. That's not a marketing checkbox. It means the kit has been tested for safety, tested for how it holds up in use, and tested to make sure it won't harm sperm or irritate your body. Many regular syringes, including the ones sitting in your medicine cabinet, were never designed for this purpose at all. Mosie was. Every edge is rounded for comfort. The tip has a slit opening instead of a round one, built to spread the sample the way your body naturally would, instead of shooting it out in one uncomfortable stream. Mosie was designed around the actual anatomy of the cervix, so the handles let you know exactly how far to insert. Even the cup is different, designed with a rounded bottom to maximize semen collection. Every part of Mosie, right down to the packaging, was designed to make an emotional, personal process feel a little warmer. Many people choose at-home insemination because it allows them to take an active role in their fertility journey from the comfort of their home. Trying to conceive is hard enough. Your tools shouldn't be the thing you have to worry about. That's why so many people choose Mosie Baby.